Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like to see cash stuffing videos, budget videos, then you've tuned in to the right channel. You've stopped. I'm not sure how you discovered me, but I'm happy that you're here. We're doing MONEYMAS, where I'm stuffing my vacation binder continuously from the 1st of December until the 24th of December. I might do one on Christmas Day, so let's see. So this is the third video for MONEYMAS. Let's jump straight into it. Let's see how much we have. 5, 10, 15, 20. 10, 20, 30, 40, so that's 60. 20, 40, 60, 81. So again, it's 160. And if you've watched the first two videos, then you know 160 is the money that I've parceled out to stuff the categories. Some will get less as we continue and some will get more. So let's do it. PCR test. Again, I'm going to say it for those of you that don't live inside of the UK. To leave the UK, to go to certain countries, you need a PCR test, and that's what this money is for. So that gets 20, and we're up to 20, 40, 60. Ticket will get 30, so I'm gonna do 2 5s and a 20. So 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Ticket is my biggest expense when I'm going on holiday to the place where I'm going, to the destination where I'm going. Let me know in the comments what's usually your most expensive thing. For most people, I think it's usually a hotel, but where I'm going, I don't actually need a hotel because I have connecting flights. If I need to stay in a hotel or anything of the sort, this is what this money is for. And that's going to get 20. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81. Spending money, I'm gonna do 20, 20, 40, 60, 81. Gas, I'm going to do 10, and I'm just going to do my 2 last 5s. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Groceries, that's going to get 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Eaten out will also get 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Entertainment will get 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Transportation will get 20. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. And vacation for 2022 will get 10. 20, 40, 60, 70. And that's it for number 3 of MONEYMAS. Stay tuned for the next one.